Hey, I'm here with Pretty Patel, and she's fixing to go on a ride in the Lamborghini, and also we got Glenn's Ferrari here. She's going to be going on a ride in. First time coming out. Miss Patel, what kind of cancer do you have?
I have a carcinoid tumor.
Can you speak up just a little bit?
A carcinoid tumor.
Carcinoid tumor. Okay, what is that?
It's a cancer that is slow growing and it's of the abdomen. I've had it since 2014.
So that's been a long time.
16, I'm sorry.
16.
2016.
Still been a long time.
It's been 8 years.
Okay.
It's a cancer that is maintained. I take a chemo shot every month, and that basically contains the carcinoid. And as long as it doesn't grow, we're good to go.
That's excellent. Has it not been growing for a long time?
It shows a slight growth, so we're taking extra caution right now. But hopefully we'll get that under control.
Well, excellent. And so when you take the chemo shot, are you down sick for a few days or?
No, just get a little tired, but I've been taking it for 8 years, so
your body's used to it.
Yeah, and I just don't even pay attention to it. I just go along like it's a normal day.
That's excellent. Yeah. That is very good. Are you excited?
I am so excited.
Well, good, excellent.
This is a great experience. My son is very jealous. He's got a Camaro and he loves cars.
Yeah.
So he looked up everything about this car. He was like, Mom, it's like probably $700,000 car. He already knows it's one of three.
How did he know that?
He looked it all up.
Man, he did.
Yes, he's 28. He's three from when he was little. He used to have those little Matchbox cars. It was a Camaro from when he was little. So when we told him he could have a car, when he got his when he went to college, he got full tuition, and so we bought him a Camaro.
Nice.
That was his car.
That's super nice.
Yeah.
A little over a year.
Okay. Very nice.
And they can't take that thing off your abdomen?
So what happened was, because the way carcinoid tumor grows, you don't know. It could be there for 10 years, it could have been there for 6 years, it could have been there slow growing for a very long time before you have any symptoms. And so the way it was growing, it was grown basically all the way around my main arteries and my veins and so forth, so it's hard to get out.
Okay.
It's inoperable.
Whoa, they're going
Oh
wreck.
my goodness!
Dude, how do you not see that car?
Oh my gosh!
Well, you're not scared.
No. My son took me in the Camaro and he went on the interstate and he went real fast. Obviously not like this, but I was like, Mom, you're gonna be scared because if you're scared in my car, I don't know what you're gonna do in that car.
It ain't bad. I would go more, but I hear that cop. I know he's around.
Somewhere. What's the retail on one of those things? What's the retail on that car?
What's the retail on one of them things? More than you can afford, pal. It's on Fast and the Furious. Remember, they asked the Ferrari owner what's the retail on one of them things. He says, more than you can afford, pal. It's a Ferrari.
Nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
That's funny. He don't know that. You would
he
think
doesn't know
for
that.
sure.
He needs to watch those movies for sure.
Yeah. You got a good one that time.
How do you know how speed it goes?
That's over here. It's telling me.
Oh, on the other side. Okay.
get out so you can tell your son.
Okay.
So press that little black button down, pull the silver lever up, and use your elbow to open the door. There you go. Okay, pretty, we just got done doing your ride in the Lamborghini in this Ferrari 360. How was your experience?
It was great. So awesome. I had a great time. Would do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah. It was awesome.
Did you get scared at any time?
No.
Well, good. That's
No.
good. Good. So your son's gonna be proud. You didn't get scared
Yes,
at all.
That's right. That's
Okay.
right.
And thank you so much for riding with us, and I'm glad you had a great time.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you for the experience.